Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to cut and color my hair. I'm so nervous. I rarely ever color my hair. I feel like the last time I colored my own hair was I don't know, in high school or something. And giving myself my own trim, that's something I've never done. I've always cut like my bangs and stuff, which that doesn't scare me because I've always cut my own bangs, but cutting my actual hair, I'm so scared. I'm so nervous. I've never done this before, but I watched a bunch of tutorials. I even bought some hair cutting scissors so you guys wouldn't get mad at me for using my little kid scissors again. So I have those. I have some hair color. I'm so nervous, but I wanted to do this intro first so you can see what my hair looks like right now. It's really long and really scraggly. That's why I feel like we just need a good healthy trim. And as far as the color, look at how gross this is. All this growth, I think my hair just grows too fast to realistically have colored hair, because you're always gonna see these roots grow out so quickly. So I just want to go back to my natural hair color. So I'm going to be coloring this part and making it dark. So if you want to see me experiment with my hair, then just keep watching. Fingers crossed this works out well. I'm so nervous. So I'm back. I just washed my hair. So to color my hair, we're not doing anything too dramatic, so that's why I think this gloss might work. And I guess the difference with a gloss and hair dye is that a gloss is less damaging and it's semi-permanent, at least this one is. So it's just gonna deposit the color and hopefully last for a good amount of time. I don't really know. I guess we will find out. But I have these kind of lighter brown pieces. They're not even blonde, they're brown. So hopefully this dark brown DP Hue Gloss Plus in dark brown works. We're gonna test it out. This was kind of a first impression of this product. I am going to wear gloves though, so I don't stain my hands. And I have this old t-shirt on, which it's okay if it gets dirty and stained. So here we go. I'm so nervous. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. Here we go. Okay, my hair is falling out, but it's been 20 minutes, so let's go rinse this out. Ta-da! So, obviously we don't know the full results until my hair is fully dry, but I feel like it did an okay job. I think we're gonna have some spots that are still a little light, but it's okay. I have some leftovers, so I could always reapply and try it again and fix the light spots that I missed. But overall, I think it's okay. So now it's time to cut my hair. I'm so nervous. I watched so many different hair tutorials on how to cut your own hair, how to trim your own hair, and oh my goodness, there are so many different methods and people swear by all of these different methods. So I'm how am I gonna pick one? But I did find one I'll link her down below. I forgot her username off the top of my head, but her hair was so beautiful and just so long, and I have long hair too, so I wanted to follow hers because I really liked the end result. So again, I will leave the tutorial that I'm following in the description box if you guys want to know, if you guys want to see it. So what she did was create a couple different sections going up the head and then two face framing sections here in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. She did cut her hair wet, so my hair is wet obviously. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair and then we will begin cutting. Woo! Okay, that was a lot harder than I thought it was. I'm glad I didn't do that on camera because that was hard. It's just because my hair is just so tangly already. Like, even though this is a deep conditioner, my hair is super tangly still. So here is the sections that I got. I got 2 in the front, just kind of split it right there down to my ear. So the front sections, and then here's what the back looks like. We have the top, the middle, and then the bottom that we're gonna work on first. So I'm going to just split this in half down the back. So I'm not gonna chop a lot, so don't like freak out, but I do wanna chop off the ends and just like give myself a nice healthy trim. And the reason I'm doing this myself is because I want to learn to do this myself so that I don't have to always go to the salon, because going to the salon is next to going to the dentist for me. I do not find it enjoyable at all. I never have. So let's just cut our own hair, shall we? Okay. Wish me luck. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. I'm like shaking. Oh, I did it. Oh my goodness, I did it. I can't believe I just did that. Oh, I really wish I had a better comb. That looks about the same, I think. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so crazy. Okay, this side's a bit longer. Just a little. Woo! I found one! I found a better comb. So, okay. I'm more positive now about this. So, oh, see, it's so much straighter. Okay. Just make that a straight line. Whoops. Oh, that looks way better. That looks way better. So let's do the same with this side now. Oh, see, look at that. Like, that's pretty even. Okay, okay. So now this is gonna be our guide for the rest of the section. That feels good. Okay. Now for this section, I'm gonna drop it and then split it down the middle. Here we go. Let's brush this out. Oh, ugh. So tangly. Ugh. Oh, see? Like, we're gonna be able to see where that guide is and just follow it. Oh, this is not as hard as I thought. Watch it turn out so terrible. Okay. Okay. So we can see the guide, and I'm literally just gonna follow that. I'm getting so excited. Okay, let's brush out this next side. So tangly. So I conditioned my hair, I deep conditioned my hair, and then the gloss that I use is technically a deep conditioner as well. And look, my hair is still tangly. Ouch. I think we got it kind of smoothed out. Okay, that feels much better. Much, much better. Whew. Okay. I think that's looking pretty good so far. Okay, now for this last section. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so tangly. I already know it. I already know it. Oh, that's funny. I don't think I need to even cut any of this top section. It's not as long as the bottom layers. That's so funny. Yeah, I don't think I really need to cut anything from That's funny because I have some layers that end like right here. So yeah, this top layer I didn't even need to cut. That's so funny. Okay, time to work on the face framing pieces, which I'm the most nervous about because it looks the most complicated. Oh, actually, what she did, she flipped these back. So let me flip these back. Okay, she took both these down, made a little triangle, and just cut that part, and then the rest kind of sliding, cutting. Okay, so from this, let's create a little triangle. Okay, I'm gonna start from here, just kind of go down like that. There's that side, and oh no, this one I messed up. Let's try that again. No, hold on. Oh, that looks about right. It's because my part is a little off-centered, that's why. But there we go. Overall, the triangle is even. So we're gonna take this. Oh, that's so uneven, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna cut this. My hand is shaking because I'm so nervous. Okay, I think I want them to be, I was gonna say chin, but I kind of like my face framing pieces to be a bit shorter. But I'm not gonna make them like this short. Don't worry about that yet. Okay. My hand is cramping. Oh my gosh. I could never be a hairdresser. Let me split my hair again. So that will now be the guide where we'll just like kind of drag the scissors down. Oh, my fingers are cramping. I'm gonna hold it at a diagonal. Oh god, I got just a little, I got scared. That felt so choppy. Why is this part so hard? Literally, this is so freaking hard. I think I'm gonna do a little point cutting. I don't think it's gonna get much better than that, so I don't know. We're gonna leave it like that and work on this side. How? Hold on, I need to take a break. This is so hard. I feel like I thoroughly messed this part up. Okay, I don't think I did a very good job here with these front pieces, but I tried my best. I tried my best. So let's go ahead and take down all this hair and see what it's looking like. My hair's not even fully dry and I can already see I'm gonna have to redo or reuse that gloss because I still have some light pieces. But let's go ahead and finish styling my hair and see what we're working with. Ta-da! We did it, you guys! So, I don't know. I kind of like it. It probably is not like the best. If I have any hairdresser friends, they're probably cringing. But I'm happy with it. I think it's good enough for me. It's good enough for me. The color, I think is fine. There is like, if you kind of peek through, you can kind of see a little light pieces here and there, but I am totally okay with that. Plus it like gives a hint of dimension to my hair. But overall, the thing I hated was that you could see my roots growing out so badly, but now you can't see that. My hair looks and feels so healthy, and it's still very long because I barely chopped off anything, but it just looks so much better. Is it straight? I think it's pretty straight. I've been at this like forever, so I think overall it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. I think these face framing pieces worked out okay too. They're not the best, but it's good enough. It's good enough for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next Thursday with another upload. Bye!
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within.